Alright, 61010, excessive flow valve. The application section apply with only with the natural gas distribution system of the installed after the effective the day of the regulations prescribed under the section. Any of the other natural gas distribution, when repaired with the system, required to replace with the part of the act accommodated with the install of the excessive flow valves. Installation requirement of the consideration no later than April 24th, 1994. The Secretary of Transportation prescribed standard circumstance that any of the operator of the natural gas distribution system must install the excessive flow valve within the system. Secretary should consider system design pressure for the system, operating pressure for the type of the consumer there. Customer with the distributing system supply with a GAF, including hospital, school, with a commercial enterprise with the technical feasibility, confidence, installment with the operating, maintaining the valve, public safety benefits, installment of the valve with the location of the customer, immediately the other factors secretary considers relevant. Notification availability no later than October 24th, 1994. The Secretary prescribed the team with the requirement of the operator of the natural gas distribution shift to notify the writing of the customer of the habit of the line with excess flow valve, not required by law, but it can be installed accordingly. Stand with the prescribed in subsection E with this section. If they be able to access flow valve installed with the system, the safety benefits is derived within the installation costs associated with the installation maintenance from replacement from stand with the provider with acceptance installation required within subsection B with the section excessive flow valve shall be installed with the request of the customer. If the customer will pay all costs associated with the installation of the report with the secretary decided within under subsection B of the section, there would be no circumstances under the operator installed with the excessive flow valve. The secretary shall submit the Congress report with the region with the decision not later than 30 days of this decision made. Performance standard no later than April 24th, 1994. Secretary shall develop the chain with this performance excessive flow valve used to protect a line with the natural gas distribution system. Secretary may adopt an inch of the acceptance the performance standard in order to comply with the requirements under preceding sentence. Standards shall be incorporated with the regulations. Secretary prescribed within the section all excessive flow valves shall be installed according to the standards and goes over the public laws, revision standards, and amendments. 60111 financial responsibility liquefied natural gas facility.